we're building 5 for Colombia, South America. And we're doing, we put, oh yeah.
Cycled back in here.
Yep, we're doing 5 of them. Yeah. 5 of them, Bogota. We just don't ask where the money came from. But you have to ask Mariano, I'm not sure what it is. It's a tie-in with the government. And then
They broke it.
So I think you're going to have people maybe holding off.
So what it is, it's starting the bulk material process here. You're welcome to come over here if you like. That cylinder back there checks it for orientation. Now we got an assembly process putting a bearing in. And then we move to this station now, and think of it moving down an assembly line, and that's putting a shaft in. Then we have a vacuum process, putting a hub on it. Now, in the mindset of recycling, of course, we won't throw our parts out, so this is kind of an idea of recycling, so they'll disassemble it here for you. Okay. Now it's taking that bearing back out, putting it back in its storage location. And then little pin cylinder is going to kick that piece back out, and then we'll start the process all over again. So we have an option. We have an option to. I'm going to start it right now. You can talk it through.
But what they want to do is we still have a lot of our and so the idea is that eventually
you see the valves as they fire. They're lighting up here. Full valve assembly.
And it'll probably set up these so we can fill it. We're trying to move a lot of our raw material from Japan. The hard part is we have such high tolerances.
Building it.
Like we have 5 micron finishes on our cylinder.
That's going to disassemble it.
Whether it's one of our throwaway cylinders or whether it's one of our high-end, we have high tolerances. And all honestly, it's more difficult for us to try to find raw material manufacturers. Like for aluminum tubing, it'll polish it to that level. People say, well, you don't need it.
Yeah, so you can, if your PLC can communicate over Ethercat, Ethernet protocol, then you can either call up programs on the controller, or you could stream motion commands to the robot, whichever way you want.
So the PLC, what kind of program language do you support? I mean, does it depend on PLC or not on it?
No, it doesn't depend on the PLC. So this language, it's their own language. It's basically like a list of instructions. I tell it to move to this XYZ coordinate. I can tell the grippers open and close. I ask it for feedback. So it's not I could say it's Python-like, but it's really just a list of instructions.
Want to be there? So I take the picture with you there? No, okay. Wait. No!
I'm sorry.
Well, it's also controlling.
Industrial environment this together because there's a camera here. This is the image, then the image processing is applied. As you're seeing here, the camera